Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today we are diving into one of the most fundamental parts of SEO, keyword research. If you are a beginner or even an intermediate looking to level up your SEO game, this video is for you. So grab your notebook and let's get started. So what exactly is keyword research? In simple terms, it's the process of finding and analyzing the search terms that people enter into the search engine like Google. These keywords helps you understand what your targeted audience is looking for and allow you to create content that meets their needs. Why is keyword research important? Now, you might be wondering why is keyword research is so important? Well, here are three main reasons. Number one, understanding your audience. Keyword research gives you insights into what your potential customers are thinking and searching for. Number two, improving SEO. By targeting the right keywords, you can increase your website's visibility in search engine. Number three, driving traffic and conversions. The right keywords can bring in high quality traffic, which means more leads, sales, or even whatever your goal is. Keywords comes in different types. Let's break it down. Short tail keywords. These are broad and general, like SEO tools. Long tail keywords. These are more specific, like best free SEO tools for beginners, LSI keywords. These are related terms that search engine associated with your main keywords. How to do keyword research? Now, let's get into the process. Here is how can you keyword research step by step. Number 1. Start with seed keywords. This is a broad keyword related to your niche. For example, if your site is about fitness, your seed keywords might be workout. Number 2. Use keyword tools. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush or Ahrefs can help you find related keyword, search volumes and competition. Number 3. Analyze the search intent. Make sure the keywords you choose align with what users are actually looking for. Number 4. Looking for long tail opportunities. Long tail keywords are less competitive and often have high conversion rates. Number 5. Check your competition. Analyze what your competition are ranking for and see if you can do it better. Pro tips for keyword research. Here are some quick pro tips. Focus on keywords with a good balance of search volume and low competitions. Don't stuff your content with keywords. Google does not like that. Always prioritize search intent. Ask yourself, what does the user really wants? Remember, it's not just about traffic, it's about getting the right traffic. I hope you get some value through this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.